Imagine stepping into a different world without leaving your room. You could be climbing Mount Everest, exploring the Great Barrier Reef, or even walking on the moon. This is the power of virtual reality, or VR. VR is a technology that creates immersive, computer-generated environments. These environments can be realistic or fantastical. They can be interactive, allowing you to manipulate objects and experience consequences. VR has captured our imaginations for decades. It has been featured in science fiction books and movies. Now, with advancements in technology, VR is becoming more realistic and accessible. It is no longer just a futuristic dream. The potential applications of VR are vast. It goes beyond just entertainment and gaming, although those are still significant parts of its appeal. VR is poised to revolutionize how we learn, work, and interact with the world around us. Let's delve into the exciting world of VR and explore its potential beyond gaming. While VR gaming is incredibly popular, its potential extends far beyond entertainment. Imagine a classroom where students can travel through the human bloodstream or explore ancient civilizations firsthand. VR can transport students to any place or time period, making learning more engaging and effective. Medical students can practice surgeries in a safe, controlled environment. History students can walk through the streets of ancient Rome. The possibilities for education are endless. VR is also transforming the workplace. Architects can use VR to create immersive walkthroughs of their designs, allowing clients to experience the space before construction even begins. Engineers can use VR to test product prototypes in virtual environments, identifying and resolving issues early in the design process. Remote teams can collaborate in virtual workspaces, feeling more connected despite geographical distances. VR's ability to create immersive, interactive experiences makes it a powerful tool for training in various fields. From healthcare to manufacturing to military operations, VR simulations can provide a safe and controlled environment to practice procedures, develop skills, and prepare for real-world situations. Virtual reality, augmented reality, and augmented virtuality are often mentioned together, but they represent distinct points on a spectrum of immersive technologies. Understanding the differences is key to appreciating their unique applications. Virtual reality immerses users in a completely digital environment, blocking out the physical world. This is achieved through VR headsets that display computer-generated images and track head movements, providing a 360-degree view of the virtual world. Augmented reality overlays digital information onto the real world, enhancing our perception of reality. AR is typically experienced through smartphones or tablets. For example, using your phone's camera, you can see digital furniture placed in your living room through an AR app, helping you visualize how it would fit. Augmented virtuality blends elements of VR and AR, anchoring virtual objects in the real world. Imagine attending a virtual meeting with colleagues represented by avatars seated around a real table in your room. AV merges the virtual and real seamlessly, creating unique interactive experiences. While each technology offers distinct advantages, they share the potential to revolutionize how we interact with information, technology, and each other. To experience virtual reality, you need specialized equipment. The most essential component is the VR headset. This head-mounted display projects the virtual environment right before your eyes, creating a sense of immersion. Headsets also track your head movements, so the virtual world moves naturally as you turn your head. Motion controllers are another crucial part of the VR experience. These handheld devices track your hand movements, allowing you to interact with objects and navigate the virtual environment. For example, you can pick up a virtual object, press buttons, or even throw a virtual ball. Some VR experiences utilize specially designed rooms equipped with sensors that track your movements in three-dimensional space. This allows for even greater freedom of movement and more realistic interactions within the virtual environment. Imagine astronauts in training using VR to simulate spacewalks and practice docking procedures. They can experience the challenges of working in zero gravity and familiarize themselves with the International Space Station's layout, all within a safe and controlled environment. VR training can significantly reduce risks and costs associated with real-world training while providing valuable experience. As technology advances, VR will continue to shape our future in profound ways.